from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Good news on the affordable housing front in Henrico, and the school board looks for more money to repair HVAC units. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. It's brought to you today by the Forward Foundation.
And now for the news.
Well, 2 new townhome communities in Henrico are set to become the first beneficiaries of the county's Affordable Housing Trust Fund program. A total of 30 units in the Parkside Towns community and Discovery Ridge soon will be available to first-time homebuyers who meet specific household income requirements. County officials announced the move during a press conference at Parkside Towns, a 123-unit townhouse community currently under construction by H.H. Hunt in Sandston. Mungo Homes is building the second community, Discovery Ridge, at Gayton Road and Lauderdale Drive in western Henrico. Parkside Towns will feature 25 affordable units, while Discovery Ridge will feature 5. The units will be blended in throughout the communities so that they will be indistinguishable from the normally priced units. The Housing Trust Fund was established by the Board of Supervisors in July. It's funded with $60 million in cash from previously unbudgeted revenue from data centers in Henrico. Builders and developers can apply for funding through the program, and once approved, they enter into an agreement with Partnership for Housing Affordability, which is administering the fund, outlining the maximum sales price for participating units based upon their zip codes and also setting income limits for eligible buyers. Qualifying developments receive reimbursements for eligible land and construction costs, as well as waivers for county fees associated with utility hookups and permits. They also benefit from expedited plan reviews. The Henrico School Board is seeking to increase its annual school maintenance funding by several million dollars from last year to help tackle a list of $56 million worth of HVAC projects. Last year, the school board received $19 million of the $21 million it requested to fund the capital improvement plan, which designates funds for building maintenance at school facilities. The board this year has proposed an even bigger ask of the Board of Supervisors, $26.5 million. A significant portion of that funding would be used to address a list of 70 prioritized HVAC projects at different Henrico schools. HVAC concerns are top of mind for school board members, especially with several school closures due to broken AC units this fall and last school year. $10 million would be earmarked for mechanical projects to help the school system complete both repairs on broken AC units and preventative maintenance to prevent future breakage. The school system is struggling to fill its HVAC technicians' positions and has to outsource most of its mechanical work to other contractors, meaning that HVAC projects and fundings must be spread out over time. You can read much more about this topic right now on our website from our Report for America education reporter, Leanna Hardy. Henrico's Ward Elementary School has been named a Purple Star School by the Virginia Department of Education and Virginia Council on the Interstate Compact on Educational Opportunity for Military Children. Along with 189 other public and private schools in the state, Ward was recognized for its commitment to supporting military-connected students and their families. This is the 7th year the state has offered the designation to schools. Virginia is home to the largest military-connected student population in the country. It has 791 schools now that have earned the Purple Star designation since 2018. Henrico residents are invited to attend a free community conversation about mental health this Saturday, November 16th at 10 a.m. The event, titled A Day of Mental Health and Healing Education, will be held at the New Bridge Baptist Church at 5807 9 Mile Road in Eastern Henrico. It'll be hosted by Delegate Dolores McQuinn of the 81st District, which includes Eastern Henrico, as well as Henrico Sheriff Elisa Gregory and Counselor Monica Lewis. The event will feature mental health experts, resource vendors, and more. RSVPs are requested. You can submit yours by visiting our website, henricocitizen.com, looking for this article and clicking the link. And Virginia is among 29 states that have reached a $1.37 billion agreement with Kroger, addressing the grocery store chain's role in the national opioid crisis. As part of the settlement, Virginia will receive as much as $29.4 million. The funds are expected to begin arriving next year. They'll be used for opioid abatement efforts, including prevention, reduction, and treatment programs. Kroger operates 123 stores in Virginia under its own name and also the Harris Teeter subsidiary. Are you a working single parent in the midst of a financial crisis, or maybe know someone who is? Forward Foundation wants to help. Forward Foundation is a nonprofit dedicated to helping single parents who have children under the age of 12 and need child care but who are ineligible for Department of Social Services assistance because of income levels. Learn more at forwardfoundationva.org or by calling 804-840-8687. Forward Foundation, empowering action to move forward.